Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. From menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and contactless setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if your phone has meet security requirements, and if you've got lock screen set. In the end, you can get access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.